Hey guys, how to contact YouTube TV customer service by phone. So go ahead to your browser, right? And search for YouTube TV customer service. And you're gonna see the first result, Google Help or YouTube TV Help. Click on it, right? And then what you're gonna do, scroll a little bit down. You're gonna find need more help and then contact us. We're gonna click contact us. And then basically explain your issue. I need help with my, let's say, YouTube TV, right? So, and now next you're gonna ask them, or you're gonna tell them exactly what you need help with. Let's say changing settings, right? Excuse me. Now hit next. Choose the best description of this issue. How to use YouTube TV, watch YouTube TV on my TV, whatever, right? And then hit next step, right? And you're gonna see helpful articles explaining how to fix that problem. If you went through every article and find that none of these help you, go ahead and hit the next step, right? And now they're gonna go through the questions from your support specialist, and you're gonna confirm that this is your email. So I'm gonna hit yes. Have you checked if you're using supported device? Okay, you can skip this one if you don't want to. Right? And what devices are you using to watch YouTube TV? Let's say Android TV, Apple TV, PlayStation, whatever. Right? Check to see if you reached the device limit. Did that help? Just say not helpful or skip. Right? If there is anything else you would like the support specialist to know, go ahead and add it here. If not, just go ahead and hit next step. And then you have the contact options: chat, email, or get a call. So of course we want to contact them via phone. So I'm gonna hit get a call. Now what you're gonna do, add the first name, of course, and your phone number in the not the zip code, the number of your country, right? So the first initial of your, the first numbers of your phone, right, or country code, and you're gonna enter here your phone number and confirm your issue by selecting one. Let's say plan already purchased, but I need help getting started. Question is about promotions, technical issues. Let's say technical issues, and you're gonna hit the check mark right here. This call may be recorded for quality and training purposes and to improve their products and services. So basically continue on to providing more of your information, and YouTube TV or YouTube contact team will reach you, right? And they will go through the issue with you. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.